Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear data on TikTok. You will enter to settings. Here you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will scrolling down until you find this application of TikTok and you will click in this page. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of TikTok. And you can update your app if you find updates here. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.